I love the digital world as much as the next person. And I love training people through online video. I have millions of students from more than 200 countries around the world taking our online courses. But nothing beats in-person training. We at Media Training Worldwide would love to come to you, sit down, stand up in front of you, and work together on your media training skills, public speaking skills, communication skills. That is the most effective, or you can come to us. But if you're really serious about creating the most dramatic improvement in your communication skills in the shortest amount of time, the way to do it is through live, in-person training. We video record you, together we look at it, we figure out what's working, what isn't working. Now, how can we do more of what you're doing well? How can we solve the issues where you're less than great? And this goes on again and again and again. In a typical day of in-person communication skills training, whether it's one-on-one or a small group, you're going to get on camera not 1 or 2 or 3 times, but at least 10 times in a day. Now, there's very little lecturing during these training sessions from me or our other trainers, even though we like to lecture. That's not how you learn this skill. You learn it by doing it, by speaking, by doing simulated presentations, media interviews, watching yourself, getting critiques, and doing it again and again. The real test of an in-person training is this. At the end of the day, can you be pointing at the screen and say, wow, if I can be half as good as he is, half as good as she is, half as good as they are, that would be great. I'll be the star of the show. If you can say that and you're pointing to a video of yourself, that's when you know the in-person live training really worked.